Hidden in your backyard might be healing powers that have been forgotten for generations, plants that our ancestors treasured as medicine cabinets, but we now dismiss as mere decoration. Number 3 was so revered by Native American healers that they called it sacred fire, and number 4 contains compounds that rival modern pharmaceuticals. Let's begin. Number 1. Purple coneflower. Purple coneflower, known scientifically as Echinacea purpurea, stands as one of North America's most powerful immune-supporting plants, yet most gardeners see it as nothing more than a pretty perennial. For over 400 years, the Plains Indians considered this spiky-scented flower their most sacred healing ally, using every part of the plant from its deep purple petals to its extensive root system. When European settlers first encountered Native American medicine practices, they were astounded to find that purple coneflower was being used for everything from wound healing to snake bites, with some tribes travelling hundreds of miles just to harvest it from the wild prairie. Modern science now confirms what indigenous healers knew intuitively about this remarkable plant's chemistry. Purple coneflower contains powerful compounds called alkamides and polysaccharides that directly stimulate white blood cell production and enhance the body's natural defense mechanisms. Research published in major pharmaceutical journals has identified over 20 active compounds in purple coneflower, with the most potent concentrations found in the roots that grow deep into prairie soil. Studies have shown that regular use of purple coneflower can reduce the duration of common illnesses by up to 40% and significantly boost immune system response in healthy individuals. But here's what most people don't realize about purple coneflower's true power. The plant doesn't just support immunity in a general sense. It actually teaches your immune system to recognize threats more efficiently, creating a kind of biological memory that strengthens over time. Traditional healers understood this concept long before modern immunology existed, which is why they used purple coneflower preventively rather than just during illness. The most experienced medicine people would harvest the roots in late fall when the plant's energy had returned to the earth, creating tinctures and teas that could last through the harsh winter months. Number 2. Wild bergamot. Wild bergamot, or Monarda fistulosa, grows abundantly across American prairies and woodlands, its lavender-pink crown-like flowers releasing an intoxicating minty fragrance that most people associate with Earl Grey tea. Native American tribes called it bee balm for good reason, as its nectar attracts beneficial pollinators, while its leaves contain some of the most potent antimicrobial compounds found in the plant kingdom. The Lakota people considered wild bergamot so valuable that they used it in their most sacred ceremonies, burning the dried leaves as a purifying smoke that was believed to cleanse both physical and spiritual ailments. The secret behind wild bergamot's extraordinary healing properties lies in its exceptionally high concentration of thymol and carvacrol, the same powerful compounds found in oregano oil but in even higher concentrations. These phenolic compounds have been shown in laboratory studies to be more effective against certain bacterial strains than conventional antiseptics, with the added benefit of actually promoting healthy tissue regeneration. Modern aromatherapy research has discovered that wild bergamot's essential oils can cross the blood-brain barrier, providing not just antimicrobial benefits, but also supporting mental clarity and emotional balance in ways that synthetic alternatives simply cannot match. This is where things get interesting about wild bergamot's traditional applications. Plains Indians didn't just use it for physical ailments, they recognized that the plant had a unique ability to address what we now understand as stress-related immune suppression. Warriors returning from long journeys would drink wild bergamot tea to restore both their physical strength and mental focus, understanding intuitively that true healing required addressing the whole person. The plant was so revered that some tribes would plant it near their dwellings, not just for convenient access, but because they believed its presence would protect the entire community from illness and negative influences. The quality of modern wild bergamot preparations, however, varies dramatically from what our ancestors used. Commercial cultivation often prioritizes appearance over potency, resulting in plants with beautiful flowers but significantly reduced levels of active compounds. Or wild harvested bergamot from its native prairie environment contains up to 3 times the concentration of beneficial oils compared to garden varieties, which is why traditional healers were so particular about where and when they gathered their medicinal plants. The difference isn't just academic, it's the difference between true therapeutic benefit and mere pleasant fragrance. Number 3. Yarrow. Yarrow, scientifically known as Achillea millefolium, earned its genus name from the Greek hero Achilles, who allegedly used this feathery-leafed plant to heal his warriors' wounds during the Trojan War. But yarrow's healing legacy extends far beyond ancient Greece, with archaeological evidence showing that Neanderthals were using this plant medicinally over 60,000 years ago. Native American tribes across the continent called it by various names that all translated to similar concepts: sacred fire, life medicine, or wound healer, recognizing in this humble roadside plant a pharmacy more complete than anything modern science has created. What makes yarrow so extraordinary is its unique ability to simultaneously stop bleeding and prevent infection, a combination that seems almost too convenient to be real, but is actually the result of a sophisticated chemical symphony. The plant contains over 100 identified compounds working in perfect harmony, including a zeolene, which provides anti-inflammatory action, achilline, which causes rapid blood clotting, and various flavonoids that boost local immune response. Modern wound care research has confirmed that yarrow's compounds work synergistically, meaning the whole plant is significantly more effective than any isolated component, which explains why traditional healers always use the complete plant rather than trying to extract specific elements. And it gets even more surprising when you understand yarrow's broader therapeutic applications. Beyond its famous wound healing properties, traditional healers used yarrow to address digestive issues, regulate menstrual cycles, and even support cardiovascular health, applications that modern research is only now beginning to validate. Studies have shown that yarrow's bitter compounds stimulate digestive enzyme production, while its volatile oils provide antimicrobial protection throughout the gastrointestinal system. European herbalists documented yarrow's ability to strengthen blood vessel walls and improve circulation, effects that recent cardiovascular research has confirmed are due to the plant's unique combination of flavonoids and alkaloids. The most experienced healers understood that yarrow's true gift wasn't just its ability to heal specific conditions, but its capacity to restore the body's natural healing intelligence. They observed that people who used yarrow regularly seemed to recover more quickly from any illness or injury, not because the plant was treating specific symptoms, but because it was supporting the body's underlying repair mechanisms. This concept of yarrow as a healing catalyst rather than just a symptom suppressor represents a fundamental difference between traditional plant medicine and modern pharmaceutical approaches. Number 4. American Ginseng. American Ginseng, Panax quinquefolius, grows hidden in the deep shade of eastern hardwood forests, its distinctive 5-leaflet pattern and bright red berries marking it as one of North America's most treasured medicinal plants. For centuries before European contact, indigenous peoples prized American ginseng as a supreme adaptogen, a plant capable of helping the human body maintain balance under any kind of stress. Cherokee healers called it the plant that helps you find your center, understanding that this unassuming woodland herb could restore vitality without overstimulation, providing sustained energy that felt natural and harmonious rather than jittery or artificial. The active compounds in American ginseng, known as ginsenosides, work at the cellular level to optimize energy production and stress response throughout the body. Unlike its more famous Asian cousin, American ginseng provides what traditional Chinese medicine calls cool energy, supporting stamina and mental clarity without causing the overstimulation that can result from more heating, adaptogenic plants. Modern research has identified over 30 different ginsenosides in American ginseng, each contributing to a complex web of physiological benefits that include enhanced cognitive function, improved glucose metabolism, and strengthened immune response. Clinical studies have shown that regular use of American ginseng can improve both physical endurance and mental performance, while actually helping the body maintain healthy stress hormone levels. But here's what most people don't realize about American ginseng's incredible rarity and value. Wild American ginseng can take up to 20 years to reach maturity, developing its most potent concentrations of ginsenosides only in roots that have survived decades in the forest understory. This slow growth explains why wild American ginseng has been harvested to near extinction in many areas, and why authentic wild roots can command prices higher than gold. Traditional harvesters understood this timing instinctively, only gathering mature plants with at least 4 prongs of leaves and always leaving younger plants to continue the population, a sustainable practice that modern commercial cultivation has largely abandoned in favor of quick profits from young, less potent roots. The next one might change how you think about this remarkable plant entirely. American ginseng doesn't just provide temporary energy like caffeine or other stimulants, and it actually helps restore the body's natural energy production systems at the mitochondrial level. Indigenous healers observed that people who used American ginseng regularly seemed to age more slowly and maintain their vitality well into advanced years, an effect that modern longevity research now attributes to the plant's ability to protect cells from oxidative damage while supporting healthy cellular energy production. This understanding of American ginseng as a long-term vitality enhancer, rather than a quick energy fix, represents the fundamental difference between using plants as medicine versus using them as mere supplements. Ancient wisdom and modern science converge on a simple truth that our ancestors understood but we have largely forgotten. The plants growing around us contain healing intelligence that far surpasses anything we can create in laboratories. These 4 American natives represent just a fraction of the medicinal wealth hidden in plain sight, waiting for us to rediscover the knowledge that sustained human health for thousands of years before the age of synthetic pharmaceuticals. The key lies not just in knowing about these plants, but in understanding how to work with them respectfully and sustainably, honouring both their power and their place in the natural world. Which one surprised you the most, and have you noticed any of these growing in your own area? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and if you found value in rediscovering these forgotten plant allies, subscribe for more explorations into the hidden healing wisdom growing all around us.